Jood bura kadho wadh nam chumbi kawuono nochopo e log tich mar apisas marito lee mag bunge miluongo ni KWS Mombasa ka gichwalo ng'ur ewi nek mar jago moro manyocha ochiel gi magina gi apisa mar KWS Tana River tarik 29 dwe mokalo. Gidwaro ni okaw okang' manowinjore ne apisano magikoni nyaka sani pok oyangore kata gimomiyo ne onego jagono mane ni e dalane gi familia mare. Kata kamano KWS koni gidhi nyime kod timo nonro ewi nek makamano bang' mayo apisano bunde mane otiyo godo kendo chunge e tich bende.
Tukumbuke kwamba aliyeuawa hakuwa katika mbuga ya wanyama, alikuwa kwake, na ndio hivyo ikawa imetuhuzunisha sana mpaka tukaweza kufika hapa kwa mambo mawili. Kwanza, DCI sijui kwa nini na vitengo vya usalama polisi wamechukua karibu wiki moja, na aliyemuua mzee Jaso anajulikana, statement zimeandikwa na mpaka sasa hajashikwa na kupelekwa kotini. Pili, Director General naye kwa nini aachilia askari wake kuua watu?
Lazima haki itendeke na haki ipatikane. Lakini sisi tunasema Director General wa KWS Erastus Kanga take full responsibility a resign kwa majukumu yake, kwa sababu hasikizi rais, hafuati sheria, kazi yake ni kwa kiburi na ujeuri.
According to eyewitness reports, Mzee Isaac was killed at his home in the presence of his family. Members are not in the Tsavo National Park as purported by KWS personnel. The killing was unjustified and is an outright murder of an innocent civilian by the people who are supposed to protect the citizens.
Kama KWS, under the leadership of Professor Erastus Kanga, who is our leader, and the management of KWS, we are sure this matter is going to be resolved as fast as possible.
E tielo mar ariyo mar sigana mar chal tend duond bura mar